In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Web to Lead feature in Salesforce. This convenient tool allows businesses to capture information from potential customers directly from their website, funneling it into their Salesforce CRM, which can play an instrumental role in streamlining your lead management process. Imagine being able to automatically gather contact details from visitors to your website and have that data integrated into your Salesforce system as a new lead. This is what Web to Lead does, making it much easier to follow up with potential customers and track your interactions with them from the very onset. Let's dive into the process. First, head over to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, what you want to do next is to locate the Quick Settings menu. It's typically represented by a gear icon, which serves as a shortcut to navigate to various settings across Salesforce. After clicking on this, you'll need to open the Advanced Setup. This will provide access to the backend options we need to configure. From here in the search bar, type in Web to Lead. This will direct you to the area where you can create and configure your Web to Lead form. Click on Web to Lead to open the setup page for this feature. Once in the Web to Lead setup page, you'll see an option to create a Web to Lead form. Go ahead and click on that. In this section, let's take a moment to understand what's going on. Essentially, you're building a bridge between your website and Salesforce. You can customize the form fields that appear, such as first name, last name, email, phone number, and so on. Choose the available fields that make most sense for your business needs, considering what information is critical for your sales or marketing efforts. When you've made your selections, click on the Add button to include them in your form. Next, it's time to specify your return URL. This is the web page that users will be redirected to after they fill out the form. A thoughtful message here can ensure a seamless transition, perhaps guiding your visitors to further explore your content or thanking them for their interest. Now, if you're interested in added security, you can also input a reCAPTCHA API key pair. This helps prevent spam entries by ensuring that form submissions are made by real humans, not bots. It's an optional, yet recommended step to safeguard your CRM data. Then, look for the magnifying glass button. Clicking this will reveal additional tools and options you might want to explore. It's handy when you need a deeper dive into specific configuration settings. And finally, when all configurations meet your expectations, click on the Generate button. This will create the HTML code needed for your Web to Lead form. You can integrate this code into your website to start capturing leads efficiently. With this setup, you're better equipped to turn website visitors into potential customers, giving you a head start in managing your sales pipeline effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy lead capturing.